Turkistan Street is located on the left bank of the capital. It starts with Saray Street, crossing Nur-Sultan Square and Siganat, Almaty, Kirey, Nunibek Khans, Bukhar Jirau, Ulu Dala Street. It finishes on the crossroads with Akmeshit Street. The length of the street is 6,114 meters. Turkistan was built in 5th, 6th centuries AD. In 14th, 18th centuries, Turkistan was the capital of Kazakh Khanate. It is located in the south region of Kazakhstan. In Turkistan, you can find legendary historic object Hoja Ahmad Yasawi Mausoleum, which was built by order of Tamerlan the Conqueror in 14th century. The basement of Turkistan was established long before, in 1st century AD. On its territory, in the mausoleum, the great Kazakh historic figures and rulers were buried, including Kazbek B, Ablay Khan, Yesim Khan, Haknazar Khan, Tauke Khan, Khanjagala, and Bugimbai Batır. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Astana Bayterek Monument, Ministry of Defense, Abu Dhabi Plaza Skyscraper, Botanic Garden, and Expo 2017 International Exhibition Center are all located alongside the street.